Their economy project work is about community level economics, so people actually in a town or in a part of London getting together and saying, right, how can we change our economic destiny? So quite a grand aim, but clearly there are the skills and there is the creativity locally to be able to do that, and one of the things is to define the new kinds of enterprises that we want to see. And there's actually lots of really successful models out there which can be replicated really easily around food or energy projects or transport enterprises or construction or community banking. There's lots of really great models.
One of the ideas that emerged at the workshop was that in order to overcome the silos approach, which is one of the main barriers that prevent us from driving change towards a sustainable economy, was to look at how the natural system is a system that already tries to optimize multiple benefits simultaneously, whereas human systems are much more geared towards focusing on one problem and another problem and another problem. And that is a barrier in itself.
I think something that was really useful that came out of it was the awareness of how we project onto other types of organisations all sorts of stereotypes, mostly negative, about how we see them. So if we're saying, well, what about our local council, what about our community group, what about business? We've all got these preconceived ideas about them. And I think what was really useful in the workshop was just highlighting what those are, and that they tend to be negative and they can really get in the way of us connecting with other organisations.
So going forward, we would like to see policies around health or education or crime reduction that put nature at the heart of it.